Hello, welcome back to Just Damilola, and on today's video I'll be showing you how you can create YouTube thumbnails using your InShot app. First, you open your InShot and click on photo. Select image you want to use for your thumbnails from your gallery, and then you scroll to cut out and click on cut out. It will cut the image from the background. You can see my background is so dark, it's not, so it cuts the image for me, and then I click on the background and pick which background I want. As for me, I prefer to choose white, which I have choose. And then you click on Canva and select 16.9, which is for the YouTube thumbnails size, and then you can position your image as you want. Then proceed to add text and write whatever you want. You can also decide to play around the text and everything, including the background, the borders, shadow, labels. You can play around as you want. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do so now, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and also comment down below. Did you enjoy this short tutorial video? If you do, if you are new on this channel, I hope you find reason to stay. Bye. Thank you for watching, and you can see I play around, and this is going to be my next video. It's actually a review on Best Friend in the World. If you watch the 10 series, you understand what the series is all about. So don't kindly stay and to watch whenever I upload the video. The video also. And as you can see, I'm still playing around. Honestly, you can add so many things to it. You can add stickers, you can add image, and once you're done, you just click on save, and this is the end result of those ones I've created using my InShot app. You can see they are nice. Till my next video, bye.